Friends, for program of hexadecimal multiplication, we have to press the reset key first. Then code CPY is displaying on the display section. Now we have to press B for hexadecimal multiplication program. Here we can see code into is displaying. Into means hexadecimal multiplication. The moment where we press EXEC key, the program for multiplication is executed. Now we can see N10010 is displaying on the display section. It means system is demanding for our first number. Suppose we want to enter 4 as our first number, so we have to press key related to 4. N10004 is displaying on the display section. Our first number is 4. Now we have to press INR key to enter our second number. Here we can see N20004 is displaying. Now system is demanding for our second number. Suppose we want to insert number 2 as our second number by pressing the key related to 2. We can insert the number 2 as our second number. N1 was 4 and N2 was 2. As we know, 4 into 2 equal to 8. So our result must be 8. Let me check it. To get the result, we press INR once again. We can see 00000008 is displaying. It means the program for hexadecimal multiplication is performed successfully. Thank you.